is always looking to innovate the markets with its high-technology products. Even in a mature and conservative market, a new technology will be disruptively successful when it provides real value to the end customer. The three PMP divisions, mechanical, hydrostatic and electrical, have developed DigiMix, the revolutionary integrated solution combining the digital and PMP mixer truck technology. DigiMix is the result of the Integra philosophy that drives the company, developing complete, integrated solutions with advanced technology that allows customers a clear competitive advantage. With this innovation, it is easy to achieve advanced functions for controlling and monitoring the mixer truck's operating parameters. DigiMix is the simple, powerful and reliable solution with which PMP revolutionizes the market.